Hi, honey. Come in, I'm coming. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Morning. Morning, guys. You normally see me coming out to the gym. Well, this morning you're gonna see me going into the gym. All right, I'll see you in a few. Get up. Pick it up. Get up. Pick it up. Let me tell you something. Every day at the same year, I could not find it in myself to do a proper workout today. I worked out, but I had to cut it short and honor my body. I went out last night to a friend's birthday celebration and I was out much later than I should have been. And let me tell you something, it was tough getting up this morning, getting started, getting going. And I came to the gym a lot later than I normally would, but I came. And it was tough. It was tough to get through it. I barely made it through. God bless Jeremy, who, just kind of sticks with me through by complaining today. But I said to him, I was like, hey, if I did this for, even 30 minutes, it's better than not doing anything at all. So I may try and walk a little later just to kind of top it up. I'm glad I made it through, but folks, not every day is gonna be the same, right? Great day ahead, hopefully. Gosh, I was saying to my trainer Jeremy just now, I was like, if we can just buckle down for the next 2 weeks, I think we can get the room done. It could be wishful thinking, but I really feel like we can get it done. It is literally the first couple days of May. And I feel like I can have this done in 2 weeks. But we have to get everything in gear and stay on time. This is the tough part of construction. Got the kids off to school. Everybody is fine. Gonna head home now.
All right, guys, so it's the morning segment in the MTM household. The kids have gone to school. Tami is at the gym. I am up and about. Last night I filmed an episode for The Cut. As a matter of fact, I'm here uploading an episode of The Cut with Joe Bogdanovich and Pastor Ryan, my good friend. And it's a very good conversation, very good reasoning. So guys, if you're watching this video, it is already uploaded to YouTube, so go and check it out. And as a matter of fact, go and check out all of my episodes that I uploaded from The Cut to the MTM channel. Go and look back, scroll back, dig it up. It's easy to find because the thumbnail is different and it's consistent and it stands out. So let's go check it out. All right, thank you, please. I'm about to go inside and go check out and see what's going on. The place is looking good. The place is coming on. One song comes to mind with the feeling that I'm feeling. Thank you for sun. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Now my friend just talked on the phone for 1 hour. You ever have them friend that where you just say, when you get on the phone with them, we can't stop chat?
Oh, yeah, Tita?
Oh, you know.
No, man.
What are you doing? I'm here. I didn't have a great day at the gym at all.
Why?
You know, I was just tired, Wayne. We go out one little night and I just feel mush.
She did do the morning and see if you.
It's true.
So it was a long
It's
day.
true, and I did have a drink. I tell you, alcohol is a tricky thing too, bro. It really can slow
You
you
can't
down.
manage like one time.
No, man. Wait, let me tell you something, not even sweat to them. I just said, Jeremy was like, what could do what we do? And you need to go out your yard.
Yeah. Well, the guys are here,
I
as you
see everything happening.
can see.
I'm excited. I was just saying on the vlog that if they can buckle down, we must can do this in 2 weeks.
Must do.
Let me go buckle down.
Buckle them down.
Buckle them down.
Oh, the fingers stay, my G?
It a go on.
It a go on.
Yeah, it a come on.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, man. Maximum respect, man.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Where they going?
We have a team meeting this morning. We're on the boss. He's not coming to you right now.
Okay,
Alright, that is it.
So
This is the
we
thing
need
I
to tell
come
NTM about what happened yesterday. So something really exciting happened yesterday, but we're gonna tell you about it a little later on. So can't wait to share.
Excitement.
Friends, I'm making the focaccia. Let me show you. I bought this at Los Chusan the other day and I want to try and making it. It takes 5 hours for it to rest. So I am gonna make it now, but I have to in an hour fold it after it rises, and then an hour after that fold it, and then an hour. So it'll be ready to bake much later on. But yeah, it's all in here. I'm literally just gonna add 450 mils of water, use my trusty mixer here, and set it aside in a bowl that's covered with some olive oil and hope for the best. I'm supposed to be baking a banana bread today for Effie, the lady who sells us fruits. I promised her I'd make a banana bread for her. She had given me some lovely ripe bananas, and I said, Effie, I'm going to bake you a banana bread. I still haven't done it, so I'm going to definitely try and get that done today as well. I just have on this attachment and then we'll go from there. And I just slowly add the water and get it going. All right, here we go. Alright, so it's actually a very, very wetty dough. I'm gonna add a little olive oil in here just so that it doesn't stick, and we'll let it rise. That's more than a little, but that's fine. So I haven't been brave enough to maybe bake bread from scratch yet, but this is kind of like a start. And we're just gonna pop it in this bowl here, and it should double, triple, maybe even quadruple in size. I'm gonna cover it and set my timer and come back in an hour. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour counting down.
All right, here it is. It's pretty warm in this kitchen, so it should do the trick. Have a nice nap. Woo!
So guys, remember we told you that something big happened yesterday, and it is definitely worth celebrating.
Yeah.
One of the major upgrades that we were looking forward to for the space were the windows
And doors.
and doors.
Yes.
Game changer completely. And if you know us good, this is our 4th time around working with Alcor, and this time it's like we're Alcor pros now. We know exactly what to do. They know what to do, and we trust them to know what to do.
Yeah, when we were kind of mapping out this space, I have to take out this elastic. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna put it back. I promise. You know, listen. When we started the room, we have a blank canvas. We moved all the windows. We made a new window, and then we created like this massive opening for doors. We changed out even the space in our bathroom, and the windows in there open differently. It's just a whole lot. And so the day finally came. We were waiting on this moment. Like, it's a cherry on top, you know? And the room isn't done, but it's like the light at the end of the tunnel, literally, because it feels like, okay, things are happening. So the team came in from Alcor and they installed the windows in the bathroom. We did projection windows. Those are the windows that open out like an awning, so that when it rains, it's fine, because those windows stay open all the time. And then they installed the bedroom windows as well. We did leave one bedroom window open, as in we haven't installed that one yet, because it's still our main entrance for all of the men coming in and out, and all the materials and stuff. And that was just incredible to see how they do. All right, let me tell you something about Alcor. When you work with them and they come in, because they come in early to see what's happening. You see, when your construction team can have a conversation with Alcor and they determine the size of everything, literally, it's just a matter of like it sliding in. I don't know how else to explain it.
There was no glitches yesterday.
Yeah, and it's not that we haven't had. I remember when we were doing this window in the office, we had to kind of fix this or fix that. So that's normal. It's not a problem. But this time, I felt really proud of all of us, because it just speaks to the communication of everybody, and everything fit like a glove. One try, boom, bang.
Yeah, man.
The team was so lovely as well. Like, they were so professional.
Yeah, fully professional.
Big up to the whole team. Oral was the lead on this project, and he was absolutely amazing. But also Akil and Shane and Alan, they all did an incredible job.
The space gone to a whole next level. But all right, so Tami, picture this, right? Cause some you see it, you know, like, you know, when you go a show and the opening acts them come out and the show nice, everybody has star it up, you know, but everybody's there for the headline.
Oh my god.
The headline artist will come take it now to the next level. And remember, when the headline are roll out, you know, which is the 9x9.
Is 9x9? It's big.
Yo, look at me. I tell you, say, it's a 3-panel, what do you call it?
3-leaf, they call it.
3-leaf sliding door, and that was a process.
It was definitely, it took a lot of planning. Like, they had to come, I want to say a few weeks before, because we had to make a decision if it was going to be flush with our tile or if it was going to sit on top of the tile. We decided that we wanted it to be flush, so that meant that they had to bring in an actual model of the track for us to then make the perfect foundation. So this was even before we started tiling. It was a lot. That was the level of planning and thinking ahead that had to happen with Alcor and with our team that totally paid off. And so when it came time to put in that 3-leaf door, I held my breath, because I was just like, oh my goodness. And just watching them put it in panel. First they did the framing, and then they put in panel by panel. And then they painstakingly went through and checked levels and put in all of the finishes and the latches, and making sure that it was like butter. Making sure that it was level and tuning this part. That it was quite something to watch.
Yeah, facts. I don't know, man. Just big up to the Alcor team. Always bringing top quality Jamaican work, manufactured in Jamaica, designed in Jamaica, engineered in Jamaica. So
Yeah.
it's a big deal. That's why we have to big them up.
Yeah, and big up to Maria, who literally is our lifesaver. She's the one who was like, Tami, I think you need to go also with like the windows that wind out, and where is it? What are we seeing from outside? She doesn't just think about windows as it pertains to inside, but she thinks about what they look like from the outside. I mean, she is really like our champion, and really helps us to put it all together. And just thanks to Alcor, our great Jamaican company that, you know, comes on board to partner with us to do amazing things. Like, I love this door still so much.
Man, tell you.
So, you know, we literally now have completed all the windows in our home, and it's something that we did a little at a time, section by section.
I remember the conversation I had with Maria in the early days when we just started, and she was like, listen, you can do it fit. There's nothing wrong with having new windows over one side. Just take it phase by phase. We now watch nobody, we are do our thing at our pace.
Yeah. But yeah, we're really happy with how everything is turning out. It's not complete. So what you're seeing now, we still haven't, like, you know, done everything around the room, so you won't get the full idea yet, but you can kind of see the transformation that you get from changing
just look at the windows, don't look at nothing else. We're going to show the windows, don't look at anything else. Anyway, before we go, we got to do it. Come here, please, we have to do it. Come on.
Okay, give me the key. Alcor windows and doors. I love it. Let's go look at them again.
Hi, boo 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 boops. Hi, boo 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 boops. What's up? You're looking for mommy? What happened? Okay, you want me to open it? There you go. See there, boo 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 boops. So, guys, yesterday while I was recording the episode of The Cut, I was talking to one of my guests, and they mentioned that they wrote down something in high school, and the same thing that they wrote down a few years later manifested itself, and it's nothing short of miraculous. It's like, and it just got me thinking, you know, when you affirm something verbally, or if you write it down, there is an agreement that is made in that moment. People, trust me, take my word for it. Speak things into being, speak things over your life, and it goes as much positive as it goes negative. And it's also visualizing and making a mental affirmation of outcomes that you want for yourself and for those around you as well. Yes, so I think that long and short of it is that we need to believe that when we speak positively, when we ask for what we want, there is something that happens. There is a seed that is planted that even if it not happen now, doors will open where you never believe would have ever open. I can't wait for this episode to air as well. There are so many little PowerPoints and nuggets in the conversation that is strong. I appreciate the support for The Cut. I've been looking at the comments. People are loving the conversation. I'm trying my best to just be as natural as possible, be as comfortable as possible, so my guests can be comfortable and just express themselves. No agenda is attached, you know. It's just reasoning, you know. So everybody ready to go home? Yeah? Are you ready to see mommy? Yeah. Okay.
Maureen, I have something very bad to share with you.
What happened? What happened?
Oh my god. So the other day, right? I went to Low Shusan, and I saw something I've never seen before. And me take up my enough liquor self and go buy it.
What
Wayne?
Cheesecake Factory cheesecake?
People, if you see this, don't buy it. It tastes so good.
A lie.
Wayne is a problem. So you keep it in the freezer, and then when you want to have it, you have to put it in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours to defrost. I forgot I did it yesterday. And when... Oh no! You wicked. You I didn't eat all of it, so the joke is on you. I actually put some up in here because I said, Wayne, I have to taste this. Wayne?
So what do they taste like at the real Cheesecake
Okay,
Factory?
you taste it and tell me. And you know, I don't like my cheesecake with like the filling on top. But I mean, if you like it, you could buy the filling and put it on top. But no, Wayne, taste this. And it's not too thick a crust, and it is just, it's outrageous. Give an honest review. As a man who loves cheesecake. It's good, right?
Come like at the real foreign me there.
Yes.
Come like at
Yes.
Cheesecake Factory me there, pan white name the
And
Sawgrass
it's not
man.
too sweet. It's not too... No, sir. I do you want to taste some?
It don't taste like it got through freezer. Come
No,
back.
it tastes fresh as ever. Your turn. What do you think? How it tastes? Is that a thumbs up? Is it good?
Nice.
Nice?
Should ditch our susu though.
It's nice, don't it, Wayne?
But have a buzz man for real. But don't know that's a Cheesecake Factory I go on.
Yeah.
They my branch out.
I've never seen it before. You know? You're good? More? Nice, don't it?